Now, after over 70 days of lockdown, shopping malls and restaurants across are slowly opening up now. In malls, limited people are allowed inside a shop. Clothing trials are banned. Limited number of people are allowed inside a lift and on escalators as well. Malls will also have mandatory hand hygiene and thermal screening provisions in place. All workers and customers will be allowed entry only if using face masks. However, cinema halls, gaming arcades and children's play areas will remain closed. Eating out at restaurants is also now allowed with new COVID-19 norms. Ways are preferred. In fact, this is the guideline set by the government, by the centre, by the Home Ministry there, that even though restaurants are open, it's advisable if you take away. Here are some visuals coming in from restaurants across as and when we see phase 1 of Unlock India.
2.5 महीने से हम बस इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि कब हमें मौका मिलेगा और हम अपने गेस्टों को वापस वेलकम कर सकेंगे। तो बस जैसे ही हमें मौका मिला, जैसे ही कल आदेश हुआ, और हम सुबह से तैयारी के साथ हम पहले से तैयार थे। जिस तरह से आदेश हम लोग के पास आए हुए तो कहा गया कि जो हमारे वृद्ध हैं और जो हमारे ओल्ड हैं या किसी भी प्रकार से अगर उनको किसी तरह की कोई दिक्कत है तो उनको आदेश है कि उनको नहीं आना चाहिए। तो इसीलिए हम उनको विनम्रतापूर्वक कहेंगे कि अगर आप ना आएँ तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
All the shopping malls, DLF shopping malls, particularly in Delhi NCR area, will start opening up for customers from 10th of June. Right now, we are showing the preparations which are underway. As you can see in the visuals, these are some of the stickers which denotes that people, the customer who are coming here, have to maintain social distancing. Moving further, our temperature will be checked, will be scanned through the thermal scanner, and persons who have their temperature under 100 will be allowed to enter, and there are certain guidelines which says that 6 feet distance is mandatory. There are also rules directed by the mall administration which says that mall will start from 12 p.m. and will operate till 8 p.m. As of now, the customers are not walking in since all the DLF shopping malls across Delhi NCR, they are as of now shut. Preparations are underway, but after 2 days these will be operative and people will be.
Let's quickly cut across to Manish Sisodia there addressing a press conference. Take a listen.
अभी वो कल से कोई मीटिंग भी नहीं कर रहे हैं इस मीटिंग के लिए, लेकिन क्योंकि कोरोना का स्प्रेड बढ़ रहा है और अगर कल एसडीएमए में ये तय होता है कि ये कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड है तो पूरी की पूरी स्ट्रेटेजी बदलेगी दिल्ली सरकार की। इसलिए मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि ये मीटिंग कल की जानी चाहिए और उन्होंने दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से मुझे ऑथराइज़ किया है उस मीटिंग में शामिल होने के लिए। ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री जी चाहते हैं कि ये मीटिंग हो और इसमें पूरी तरह से एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ में चर्चा होकर दिल्ली पे ये रहे। तो कल की मीटिंग में मुख्यमंत्री जी शामिल नहीं हो पाएंगे, लेकिन मीटिंग होगी एसडीएमए की और उस पर एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ में चर्चा होगी। और अगर ये होता है कि कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड हुआ है, अगर एसडीएमए में बैठ के एक्सपर्ट्स की राय से ये तय होता है तो फिर पूरी की पूरी स्ट्रेटेजी दिल्ली में कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए बदलनी होगी, उस पर चर्चा होगी।
Well, that's Manish Sisodia there, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister addressing a press conference. He's, of course, taking stock of the situation that currently we're looking at a rise in number of coronavirus cases across New Delhi. We're seeing a new high in numbers and unfortunately, we also hear news that Arvind Kejriwal himself is down under the weather. He's not feeling the best, not in the best of his health. He's also getting a COVID test done soon enough. And in the meanwhile, of course, the Delhi government now under scanner by the Delhi High Court itself for not allowing outside patients to access treatment across of Delhi hospitals. The Delhi High Court there sending out a strict word to the Delhi government that they can't deny treatment to anyone seeking treatment at any hospital. Now, going back to phase 1 of Unlock India, we're looking at several places opening up. We're looking at eateries, restaurants, of course, without liquor. All of these places across of India now slowly opening up with the right guidelines with 50% capacity, not to their max, but nonetheless still starting off, taking baby steps there only to ensure business is back and running and, of course, health being a priority there. Let's quickly go over to Shalini Lobo joining us from Chennai and Nikhil as well joining us from Delhi. We'll start with Shalini. Shalini, we're looking at Chennai restaurants there already opening up. Take us through the precautions that Chennai is taking. We know that Chennai is also a place where you're seeing a spike in cases, but nonetheless, how they're handling it, ensure that business is up and running, but yet at the same time, people's lives are taken care of.
Well, Nabila, in Chennai, takeout is preferred more than dining, and restaurant, owners of restaurants have not really opened out their restaurants yet for dining in. Around 20% of them probably would have opened their restaurants today. This is one such restaurant which is in the heart of the town. You can see that the shutters are closed and only parcels available till 5:30. The same with eateries as well. They're not really letting people sit inside and eat, even though the government has said SOPs put in place show 50% occupancy can take place inside restaurants, ensuring social distancing is maintained. However, people are not requesting customers to come sit in and eat. There are restaurants in Chennai that have opened out, but several of them, keeping in mind the number of cases, haven't. But in case a restaurant opens, they have to ensure social distancing is maintained. Customers have to occupy one table, leave one table empty and occupy the next. Menus have to be disposable menus. Cashless transactions, contactless transactions are encouraged. They have to use a hand sanitizer before entering and touching the door to open it. The temperature has to be checked and recorded as well. The staff at the restaurants have to wear, protective headgear. They have to wear gloves. They have to have face shields. These are the different SOPs that the government has put in place. And of course, cleaning of vegetables, very important. There's a procedure to be followed while doing that as well. But as you can see in Chennai, not all restaurants are open. Several of them prefer to have their customers come in, take their food and leave, and probably dine elsewhere, but not inside the restaurant.
Yeah, do stay with us. Let's cut across to Delhi to see if Delhi has a similar situation and what's the excitement on ground. Nikhil brings us more. Nikhil, we do know that we're seeing a spike of COVID-19 cases in Delhi, the national capital, also across of India. As of today, over 2.5 lakh COVID-19 patients have been checked. They've been shown positive. In fact, half of them, at least 50% of them, have also recovered from it. But nonetheless, even as restaurants and temples, religious places are opened up, people are terrified, we believe, to step out. Is that true on ground?
It is true, Nabila, and if we talk particularly about Delhi, the cases are about to reach and they are about to cross 30,000 mark. Surrounding this, religious places and shopping complexes they have opened up starting from today. Right now we are at Select City Mall in Delhi, and we would like to show you the visuals. This is the food joint where I am currently standing at, and almost every outlet, every restaurant is closed here. Only Sarvana Bhavan, it is a restaurant.
If we talk about the preparations, these are the tables and chairs. In the visuals you can see there are thick red tapes which denote
which denotes that people are not allowed to sit at this particular point, and only people are allowed to sit and have food sitting on a zigzag way. So we would like to show you all the area of food joint. Almost every table and chair are empty here. Only a few people are present here.
आप बताइए कहाँ से आए हैं आप? तिलक नगर से आए हैं आप। कितने दिनों बाद पहली बात तो बताइए कि खाना खाने के लिए निकले हैं? 3 महीने बाद। क्या अभी भी लोगों में डर है बाहर निकलने से पहले?
क्या अभी भी लोगों में डर है बाहर निकलने से पहले, स्पेशली पब्लिक प्लेसेस में जाने के लिए?
बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट वाला मेट्रो बंद है, लोगों को बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है, डर लग रहा है कोरोना से।
इसके साथ जो गाइडलाइंस आई हैं, आपको लगता है कि वो लोग फॉलो करने वाले हैं जो फैमिलीज के साथ बाहर निकलेंगे आने वाले वक्त में?
अगर वो फॉलो करेगा बेटर है, इन माय आइडिया, क्योंकि वो गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है लोगों की वजह से। अगर उसका लोगों फॉलो करेगा वो अच्छा लगेगा।
Okay, so only few people are present here. As you can see, these are the people who are coming all the way from Tilak Nagar. But if we show you the visuals around, almost every other table, every chair here are left empty, and only few people are present here. If we talk about the guidelines, people above the age of 65 and below the age of 10 are strictly advised to stay at home as much as possible. And while entering the food joints, they have to go through the proper thermal scanning. They have to go through the sanitization process, then only they are allowed to enter the food joints. But as of now, we are showing you the visuals. Only a few people are present here.
Yeah, we do know that 50% capacity is allowed, but clearly, Nikhil, what we see here is despite 50% capacity is allowed to, occupy restaurants, we're looking at people itself petrified, terrified to step out, looking at the rising number of cases, which is good. It is a good sign. The economy is now open to get back to normal life, but nonetheless, people have to take precautions. As long as it's not mandatory, don't step out. It's just a simple word of caution. Let's quickly go over to Ram Kinkar joining us, taking us through what's happening in Delhi. Also Devankur taking us through what's happening in Jaipur. Nolan Pinto from Bengaluru. Let's see how, with strict SOPs in place, all restaurants, malls, temples, places of worship have opened up.
After 75 days, famous mall of South Delhi open now. You can see straight from the visuals how the mall employees and others, especially the retailers, are here, and the mall is open now. The footfall is also restricted due to government guidelines. Temperatures, especially the centralized temperature, would be between 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. And you can see the special brands here, and all the customers advised by the staff of mall that they should maintain social distancing. You can see how the cleaning is done by the staff workers. Health workers is also deployed here due to when any case of uneasiness or uncomfort reported here, then all will be sent to nearby Max Hospital. You can see the retailers also with hand gloves and masks. Customers is also advised that they should come after disinfection tunnel and with the contactless temperature or the thermal screening, and they are all welcome. But the one thing which is clear-cut indication from the mall administration that all the persons should have the Arogya Setu app in their mobile phone. They should have proper contact details. If any person after that reported any corona positive symptoms, then it must be easy to trace that type of contact tracing. With camera person Ajay Thakur in Delhi, this is Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
You see a new normal in place out here. A cabin has been put in place so as to ensure that the entire body of a visitor or the clothes of a visitor gets sanitized once you move inside this cabin. Once you move inside, the temperature will be gauged by a person who is wearing the kit. This is the escalator, the lifts, and the measures that are required to be in place, that they are required to be in place out here also, so as to ensure that people do not come in close contact with each other, so that they do not come in close contact, so that the virus does not spread rapidly. Clearly, these measures are required to be in place so that even as the economic activities resume, people take proper precautions so that the virus does not spread, which is clearly very important. Various shops have opened out here, but even now, the footfalls that one used to see in the pre-corona era, that is something which will not be likely to happen, at least for some time. And people are required to follow these protocols so as to ensure that despite the opening up of malls, the virus does not spread rapidly because of that. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur for India Today.
The malls have actually opened here, not just in Bengaluru, but across the state. Most of them opened at around 11:30 in the morning. Now, I'm at the Phoenix Market City. This is in Whitefield. It's away from the city. Now, I just want to show you what they have actually done here. Not too many people coming in, but one can expect many more to come in the evening. Now, we have with us the Senior Center Director, Mr. Gajendra Singh Rathore, here to just explain to us what are the precautions they have taken. So, can you just elaborate to us what are the precautions, and are people still apprehensive?
Actually, we are seeing a decent footfall since morning, and you can see right now also the cars are continuously coming in from there. The first mandatory thing is the mask. Second is the social distancing. You can see the markings here. Third is we ensure that Arogya Setu app is compulsory.
Okay.
So with this mandate, a lot of customers are now downloading also Arogya Setu app, which is a good thing.
What they've done over here, they have this literature everywhere explaining to people what they have to follow. Very simple. All customers need to do is just follow this. You wear a mask, follow queue system, your temperature will be checked, hand sanitizers. In fact, this individual over here also checks not just whether you have the Arogya Setu app, but he also checks your hand to see if you do not have a quarantine stamp. Because the rule, Karnataka government rule is very simple. You have to check if anyone has that. If they have that, it is their duty to inform the police that someone who is in quarantine has actually come out. So it's very, very simple procedure. Follow all these rules and there is absolutely no trouble.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.